So I went to law school and business school at Case Western, and I actually went to be with the idea that I would become an investment banker, not a lawyer. And so that sort of brings my business background to how I try to approach my practice of law, which is to solve clients' business solutions. At my prior firm, we had viewed Benesch as one of our top competitors for real estate work, and I had known a couple partners here who I really respected. And I had talked to them over the years and just was friendly with them. The things that attracted me most to Benesch were, number one, the opportunity to leverage my practice and to grow on that. I was really excited about the things I had heard and learned about where the real estate practice was going. But in addition to that, one of the other things I found really appealing was the vibrancy and youth that I saw in the leadership here. When I met with Greg Eisenberg, I was blown away with his direction for the firm, and just to see the growth that had occurred, over the year before I joined, and sort of that was the trajectory. I found that really appealing. I love real estate law because it's sort of this tangible thing, right? At the end of the day, although it's transactional and a deal closes, there's something tied to that you can see and feel and touch, and you can potentially have a positive impact on the community with what you're doing with the real estate. So that's what draws me to it. It's transactional in nature. I like to call it happy law because at the end of the day, both sides should be, to some degree, happy with the outcome as opposed to litigation. The communication within the firm has been unreal. It's both on a sort of a firm-wide basis and also on an individual basis. I interact with Greg Eisenberg daily, and he is constantly reaching out to make sure that I have, as a lateral partner, the resources I need to make sure that I'm being successful. There's a very open book in terms of sharing the strategy of the firm, where we're going from the growth of the business, from a hiring perspective, and from a cultural growth perspective. It's been astounding to me how open Greg is and how open the firm has been. Instantaneously, I felt like my feedback was not only valued, but it was sought out. The environment is really great for a large firm. It's different than what I had experienced in the past, and it's different in a positive way. It's a lighthearted atmosphere. It's very I would say, it's, to the extent you can call working at a law firm fun, it's fun. I mean, it's really, people like each other, people interact constantly. It's very open door. You constantly can feel like you could talk to really any of your peers within the firm. What makes Benesch a great employer is its desire to help people succeed, right? At whatever level of your career you're in, or whatever role you have within the firm. It's the idea that we can invest in you. We can, do whatever we can to provide you the resources to be a success yourself and to grow your practice. It's this opportunity that is rare in my experience to work in a place that's incredibly fun, incredibly vibrant. It feels youthful, it feels exciting, and it's a place where the firm really invests in you or in your success.